Hey, how you doing? Austin here. This video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Dogecoin is clawing its way back, guys. It is coming back from its low that it hit earlier today. I wasn't going to make a Dogecoin video today, but I wanted to show you this. I wanted to show you my trading view chart and kind of talk about what is happening. I like what I'm seeing, and if we continue to get some positive momentum, it's interesting to watch. Here's the thing. Dogecoin is fighting its way back, clawing. I really feel that that's really the appropriate word when the overall market is not really doing anything. Yes, it's Friday. Trading sometimes slows down on Friday, kind of leading into Saturday, Sunday, things of that nature. But I really got some interesting things to show you with relation to Dogecoin clawing its way back out of the hole that it's been in for the last 8, 9, 10 hours, give or take. All right, let's take a look at that and have an overall discussion. Here we go. So as you can see, we're at 38 cents. We're only down 4.66%. Okay, still ranked number 6, by the way. Right now, as I said, 35 cents and 40 cents are your 24-hour highs and lows, respectively, and we're getting close to that high. Okay, I wanted to show you this before I show you everything else. If you look at this, the overall market. Let me refresh this. So yeah, the overall market, Bitcoin and Ethereum are really doing nothing in the last hour. In the last 24 hours, they're really down. Dogecoin is coming back. Dogecoin had lower lows earlier today. It did. It was like around 11 or 12+% or something like that. Here's really what I want to show you. I want to show you this trading view. Remember, this is the chart. For those of you guys who watch my Dogecoin videos, I've started doing some of this technical analysis for you. And what I really like here is that it's starting to develop as I thought it might. Okay, so earlier today I showed you this chart, and this is by the way, this is a 1-hour chart. So every single candle you see is an hour. Okay, and so what you're seeing here is you're seeing continuing to trend down. Right here, we hit this support level, and we established that our support level is 0.3628, really 36 cents and some proverbial change. Okay, and we bounced back off of that very sharply. Okay, so now we're in this upward trend in the last few hours. Okay, so that's where we're trending, and I really like what I'm seeing here to get back to kind of these upper levels, and kind of just to kind of show you. I mean, we've got a really nice trend line. Now, there's a possibility, guys, that we will establish a new resistance line somewhere in here. Could be. Okay, we'll see. And if that does happen, then it's highly possible that we will continue possibly to do this. Okay, going into Saturday, Sunday, we will see kind of how that plays out. We've still kind of got the Coinbase news cycle out there working for us. It's been now, what is it, 24, 36 hours, give or take. But that news cycle is out there, and I mean, I think it's very pervasive now. People are aware of it, things that things of that. But you still kind of are consistently seeing potentially more adoption, because remember how Coinbase, it evolved. They went live with Coinbase Pro, and then on Thursday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, United States Pacific Standard Time, you could trade things like that. And then now it is available on Coinbase, and it's on Pro, and it's on Coinbase.com, and it's on the app. Okay, also we've got this to play as well. I broke this and talked about this the other day, or actually I apologize, earlier today. Coinbase is giving away 1.2 million in Dogecoin as it starts letting users trade. Okay, so let me cut to this. I'll show you what this is right here. It's this highlighted piece of content right here. Users must buy or sell $100 in Doge through Coinbase by June 10th to be eligible for the sweepstakes. The company said Coinbase said it plans to give out one prize worth $300,000, 10 prizes worth $30,000, and 6,000 prizes worth $100 by around June 17. This one event right here, guys, absolutely could potentially drive a fair amount of momentum moving forward. Okay, and this event right here could have something to do with kind of what the spike is. I mean, you've got Coinbase being one of the major exchanges in the entire world, with the adoption of Coinbase Pro taking over, with we could do Doge on Coinbase Pro, and then now on Coinbase Regular, that opened up the exchange to us. And then you have the press release going out saying, hey, Coinbase is giving away 1.2 million in Dogecoin. That's now starting to get out there. Okay, this came out earlier today. It says it's 2 hours, but I haven't refreshed the screen. So this has been out today. Okay, so that's when this came out, and so we'll see kind of how that plays out, guys. But this one thing right here could continue to drive additional transactions on Coinbase, because people are like looking at this going, well, yeah, why not? I will absolutely buy or sell $100 in Doge through Coinbase by June 10th to grab a potential prize of a 300,000, or 10 prizes worth 30,000, or hey, 6,000 prizes worth $100. Why not, right? So I think that absolutely could be part of what is going on. Okay, outside of that, there's not a lot of new news to drive the cycle and kind of continue to see how we develop from there. So I want to talk real quickly about the 3 reasons that I really love Dogecoin, and why I think that it is one of the best cryptocurrencies out there. I haven't talked about this in a while, but for those of you guys who've been on my channel for a while, probably know what I'm about to say. I love Dogecoin for really 3 main reasons. Number one, it's the community. It's the community that has the Doge army that is bought in, emotionally tied, that is very active on forums, on Reddit, things like that, and that has continued to buy and hold and buy more, right? I think that is absolutely something that is in play and continues to proliferate with the major interest in Dogecoin. Okay, so the Doge army and the entire community built around it continues to prop up, and not in a bad way, prop up in a good way, the price of Doge, and continues to help it to kind of remain stable at these various different levels. Has Doge had pullbacks? Absolutely. Doge absolutely reacts to the overall market conditions, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. But what it comes down to is that community built around it is a fundamental asset, and a very large asset. Okay. Secondly, the media. The media has become a absolute pillar to Dogecoin as it relates to interest and bringing new retail money in, and continuing to help people put existing Doge holders to buy more, things of that nature. Because you've got the media out there, guys, constantly bringing out new content. I said this, but I want to explain this again. Understand how the media works. The media is in the business to do what? To create content to drive you to their website, okay? So that when you land on their website, they can sell you. They can sell you maybe their goods and their services, like Motley Fool, trying to sell you their information. And then secondly, they have advertisers advertising on their website. Okay, let's just say what it is. Now that's their business, right? So why would they want to create Dogecoin content? Because of the tremendous worldwide global interest in Dogecoin. But they know that when they create content just like this, CNN and CNBC, they know when they create content like this that it drives eyeballs. People are looking at this, and people will click on it, and they will go read the content and things of that nature. Okay, so you have that going on, right? So that's the media. And then inside of the media, you have the celebrity factor. You have Elon Musk, Mark Cuban, and all those kind of scenarios doing, and so anytime they tweet or they do anything related to, Dogecoin, it makes global media coverage. Okay, we have that in play as well, right? The third scenario, the third reason that I do love Doge is the potential for it to become an asset that people will buy, that will trade and use in their daily lives. I mean, we've had time and time again where we've got, the Dallas Mavericks, you can buy goods and you can buy merchandise there, and obviously owned by Mark Cuban. We've had other sporting goods franchise pick them up to be able to buy, merchandise and, season tickets and things like that, seats and things to events. But you've also got just the continued proliferation of Dogecoin in that regards. We've got Robinhood Wallet coming in the near future that should help dramatically in that scenario. People actually use their Doge and things of that nature to continue to buy. Will the use of Dogecoin as an asset that people use to buy goods and services in their daily lives continue to develop? Yeah, I think, but I think also if that's kind of a Dogecoin is in its infancy in that stage, right? And I think it's got a ways to go. Not just Dogecoin, but the overall proliferation of crypto in our world. Crypto is still relatively new to the vast majority of people in the United States as well as globally from an asset that I can use and spend. That's why the Robinhood Wallet is such a big deal. There just got to be easier ways to spend it is really what you hear me saying. Okay, so we'll continue to see how that plays out, guys. It looks like we're even doing a little bit better. We've come back 3.67. Let's finish up with one look at this. We'll continue to see how this develops, and I'll keep you updated on this. But I really kind of like what I'm seeing here, guys. So we'll see. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye.